Hi guys, it's my birthday today. Your favorite baker girl is a year older today. So I'd encourage you all to wish me a happy birthday in the comment box. But in the meantime, I've been asking my husband to shoot a TED talk as regards the hygiene in the baking or any other food business, and he finally obliged. He surprised me with a video, and I would urge you all to listen and learn one or two things, and let us encourage him also if you think he did justice to it.
So I'm taking over my wife's office today. Today is actually September 10th, but this video is definitely going to be, I'm sure my wife is going to upload this video on her birthday. I just picked my children from school, and we're here to wish my wife happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mommy. I love you so much. Happy birthday, mommy. I love you.
To my beautiful wife, we love you. We see all you do. We are proud of you. Myself, Dasimi, Tiresimi, Roresimi, everyone that knows you, we see how much you go out of your way to make everybody smile. And you've always been asking me that I should come just to come and talk about hygiene in baking, and I've told you no, but I'm doing this behind your back, and I would like everybody to just take a moment to just say happy birthday in the comment section, and let's go right to why I want to do this video for her. So just throw about 2 points that I think might be useful to you, not just in baking, but also food blogs also. Now, the first point I would like to address is, if you're into baking or you're into the food industry, try as much as possible to do a food handler's test. If you want to know what that means, just go directly to the hospital yourself and your staff before you handle that particular food. Now, secondly, I would advise you guys to try and push that gloves aside when it comes to baking. Why do I say so? If you are handling food or you are handling cake or anything, this is what is going to be ingested. So you can actually get germs from the gloves and put it back into what you are making or what you are cooking or what you are preparing, and the customer might unknowingly ingest it, and thereby they might have what they call food poisoning, and you see your customer in the hospital because of what they took from you. So if this is not an hospital where you need to wear gloves at all the times, you understand? Yes, in an hospital you need to wear gloves all the time, but when you are handling anything food, you must make sure you wash your hands thoroughly as much as possible. I'm not going to say 4 times, I'm not going to say 5 times, as much as possible. Yes, my wife used to do this. I saw her using gloves. There was the day I came back from work and I saw her using gloves. She actually does not do this if she's not shooting. And I asked her why. She said because she doesn't want people to say, why is she not wearing gloves? And now I educate her. It's not about that. Let people know what is right, and this is why I'm here to tell you guys. When it comes to anything that's going to be ingested, try as much as possible to wash your hands all the times. And trust me, we're not going to be seeing patients with food poisoning from all this, and you are going to live an healthy society. When you wash your hands always, is 99.9% better than using contaminated gloves to work on anything food. I hope I've been able to pass a message today, and I believe we're going to save a life just by doing this. Please just wish my wife happy birthday in the comment section if you feel I've done justice, or if you feel you're going to do this. I wish you all the best, and you guys keep pushing. All the best. My name is Dr. Oshiemi, and I'm a doctor with Lagos State.